Your body has a built-in self-cleaning system that destroys damaged cells, removes toxic proteins, and literally makes you younger from the inside. It was so important, it won the Nobel Prize in 2016, and most people never activate it, not even once in their lives. Why does your body only switch on this life-extending mechanism when you stop eating? And how long do you actually need to fast before it kicks in? Before we dive into the data, quick reminder, I'm an enthusiast, not a doctor. This is about the science, not a prescription for your specific health. Please check with your GP before changing your routine. Autophagy. From the Greek for self-eating. It's your cell's recycling program. When triggered, your body hunts down damaged proteins, dysfunctional mitochondria, and even precancerous cells, and breaks them down for parts. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi won the 2016 Nobel Prize in Physiology for mapping exactly how this process works. He called it one of the most fundamental mechanisms of life. Here's the problem. Autophagy is suppressed almost entirely when insulin is elevated, and insulin is elevated almost constantly in the modern diet. We eat every 2 to 3 hours, snacking, sipping, grazing. Every time you eat, even something small, you spike insulin. Insulin signals your cells that nutrients are abundant. The cleanup crew stands down, the cellular garbage accumulates. The counterintuitive truth, the hunger you feel at hour 14 of a fast, is not your body suffering. It's your body switching modes. Research shows autophagy begins ramping up somewhere between 12 and 18 hours of fasting. By hour 24, it's running at full speed. By 72 hours, immune cells are being regenerated from scratch, a finding from a 2014 study at USC by Dr. Walter Longo that shocked the scientific community. Autophagy failures are linked directly to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, cancer, and accelerated aging. The damaged proteins that pile up when autophagy is chronically suppressed are literally the plaques and tangles found in the brains of Alzheimer's patients. Fasting doesn't just make you thinner, it may be actively protecting your brain. You don't need to fast for 72 hours to get the benefits. A simple 16 to 8 eating window, eating within an 8-hour period and fasting for 16, is enough to trigger meaningful autophagy most days. Combine it with exercise in a fasted state, and you amplify the effect dramatically. Your body already knows how to do this, you just have to stop interrupting it. Do you practice intermittent fasting already? And have you noticed changes in your energy or mental clarity? I'm genuinely curious. Drop your experience below. Subscribe, because tomorrow's video is about the one fasting mistake that completely cancels out the benefits.